Let us discuss the third lesson, P block elements 2. The chapter group 15, nitrogen group elements. So in this chapter, nitrogen and ammonia preparation, chemical properties, physical properties we will discuss. First, nitrogen. Nitrogen occurrence, about 78% of Earth atmosphere contains dinitrogen gas. It is also present in Earth crust as sodium nitrate and potassium nitrate. Here we can find the physical property of nitrogen. Nitrogen state is gas, atomic number 7, isotopes, atomic mass 14 and 15, atomic mass 14, electronic configuration 1s to 2s to 2p3. The 1s2 denoted as helium, atomic radius 1.55 Armstrong unit, density 1.14 into 10 to the power minus 3, melting point 63, boiling point 77. Now we see the uses of nitrogen. Nitrogen is used for the manufacture of ammonia, nitric acid, calcium, cyanamide. It is also used for producing low temperature required in cryosurgery. Cryosurgery means cryosurgery is a type of surgery that involves the use of extreme cold to destroy abnormal tissues such as tumors. The surgery most often involves the use of liquid nitrogen, although CO2 and argon may be used. And so in biological preservation. Now, so in this slide we can see the preparation of nitrogen. Some questions and all we can ask. How do you get pure nitrogen gas from sodium acide? Sodium acide formula NaN3. NaN3. The pure nitrogen gas can be obtained by thermal decomposition of sodium acide about 573 Kelvin. Here in this equation, the decomposition occurs sodium and nitrogen. Sodium and nitrogen both are splitting. Okay, here for balancing this equation, right side nitrogen we see N2, left side N3 is here. So the 3 we have to make at the right side. That's why 3 by 2 N2. The denominator 2 will cancel. So right side also we can bring the 2 nitrogen, the balanced equation. Okay, second question. How do you get pure nitrogen gas from ammonia? How do you get pure nitrogen gas from ammonia? So in this equation, the nitrogen gas can be obtained by oxidizing ammonia using bromine water. So left side, the ammonia react with the bromine gas, it is given, and the right side, what are the product? Ammonium bromide and pure nitrogen gas. Ammonium bromide is a salt, it is settled down and we can get a pure nitrogen gas. For balancing this equation, both side, first you have to see the hydrogen. Hydrogen, left side 3, right side 4. For making balance, here I multiple the ammonia 4, here I 3. When I put 4 means 12 hydrogen, here also 12 hydrogen. After that, the bromine we have to see. The bromine, right side 3 bromines are present. So left side we have to make the bromine 3. 3 by 2, when I give, the 2 will cancel. So 3 bromine. Then finally we can see the nitrogen. Left side 4 nitrogen, here 3 nitrogen. The molecule nitrogen, make it 1, then only 3 plus 1, 4 nitrogen will come. So I give 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 to cancel 1 nitrogen. So left side, right side, both sides are balanced. Now we see the chemical properties of nitrogen. Chemical properties of nitrogen. The third question, how nitrogen reacts with metal, lithium, calcium and boron. When nitrogen react with lithium, lithium nitride will form. Then it reacts with the calcium, calcium nitride will form. Likewise, boron with nitrogen, boron nitride will form. Here in this equation, make nitrogen 1 at left side, because right side only 1 nitrogen, so make it 1. So 1 by 2 we have to give. 1 by 2 means 2 will cancel. Right side 3 lithium, so left side I put 3. Next equation, right side calcium 3, nitrogen 2. According to that, I give 3 calcium as it is, 2 nitrogen. Here third equation, nitrogen 2, that's why right side I put 2. After putting the 2, boron also 2, so 2 boron. The fourth question, what is Haber process? It's very important question. So in which we can prepare ammonia. The delta H formation value minus 46.2 kilojoule per mole. That much energy is releasing. The ion acts as a catalyst. Here the nitrogen, so combined with the hydrogen, it gives ammonia. We have known very well. But how to balance this equation we see. Right side nitrogen 1, that's why 1 by 2. 1 by 2 N2, 2 to cancel, nitrogen 1. Here hydrogen 3. For making 3, 3 by 2 I have given, 2 to cancel, 3 hydrogen. The last question, how can we get nitrous oxide from nitrogen? So nitrous oxide, what's the formula? N2O. Here we can get the nitrous oxide 44%. 44% even at 3473 Kelvin. Okay. When nitrogen combined with oxygen at 3473 Kelvin, we can get nitrous oxide. For balancing this equation, right side oxygen only 1. So left side oxygen half O2. Half O2 means 1 oxygen. So all the equations are balanced. Next, we will see the preparation of ammonia. Preparation of ammonia. How is ammonia prepared from urea? The first question. Urea, what's the formula? NH2CO NH2. NH2CO NH2. Here, when urea reacts with water, it gives ammonia and carbon dioxide. When urea reacts with water, it gives ammonia and carbon dioxide. For balancing this equation, make nitrogen 2, because left side 2 nitrogens are present. Here we can find NH2 NH2, that's why I put 2. After that, you have to check the hydrogen. 2 into 3, 6. So here 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 hydrogens are present. Carbon dioxide here 2. Here CO and another O is here. So this equation is balanced. Okay. And another question is a laboratory preparation of ammonia. Laboratory preparation of ammonia. Just now we have seen the first question, that is depends on hydrolysis of urea, we can say, because urea dissolve in water. This question, laboratory preparation of ammonia from ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride, what's the formula? NH4Cl. NH4Cl. It reacts with calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. They give 3 products: calcium chloride, water and ammonia. Calcium chloride, water and ammonia. Okay, here make chlorine 2 at the left side, because right side Cl2 is here, so make it 2. Afterwards we see nitrogen here 2, that's why right side I put 2. Then hydrogen, 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Here also 2 into 4, 8. So calcium left side right side balance. Oxygen left side 1, right side 1 balance. Hydrogen also balance, nitrogen balance, everything balanced. Okay, we move to the next question. How is ammonia got from magnesium nitride? Magnesium nitride, what's the formula? Mg3N2. Mg3N2. The magnesium nitride with water. By heating we can get a ammonia, and the byproduct is magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2. Okay, here so balancing equation, left side we see Mg3 and N2, that's why I put right side 3, here 2. Thereafter the hydrogen we have to check it. 2 into 3, 6 hydrogen. Here also 3 into 2, 6 hydrogen. Totally 12 hydrogen, that's why I put 6 here. Oxygen also 6. Here 3 into 2, 6. So equation is balanced both sides. Okay. Let us see the reaction of ammonia. Comes under chemical properties. Okay. Fourth question. Prove that ammonia is a reducing agent. Ammonia is a reducing agent. Okay. Here we can find the ammonia react with the lead oxide. Lead oxide. The oxygen is removed from the lead. So reducing agent means reduce itself reduce metal oxide to metal. It reduces the metal oxide to metal. Here the metal oxide is lead oxide and the metal we can see lead. So the product nitrogen and water. Okay, here we can find ammonia. Left side 1, right side 2. So right side nitrogen 2. Right side nitrogen 2. That's why left side I put 2. Then we have to see the hydrogen. Here 6, 2 into 3, 6. Just I give 3 hydrogen. Then only hydrogen is balanced. 3 oxygen. Here also 3 oxygen. Both side left and right, both side lead also balanced. Okay. How is excess ammonia? Reacting with chlorine? How is excess ammonia reacting with chlorine? Here we can find the two question. How is excess chlorine reacting with the ammonia? These two are somewhat different. How is excess ammonia reacting with the chlorine? How is excess chlorine reacting with the ammonia? Here we can see the equation. Ammonia react with the chlorine. The nitrogen gas will form and hydrochloric acid also will form. Nitrogen gas as well as hydrochloric acid. Okay. Here make nitrogen 2 at left side, because right side nitrogen 2, left side you put 2. Hydrogen 2 into 3, 6. That's why I put 6 hydrogen chloride. Chlorine right side 6. That's why I put 3 Cl2. For making 6 chlorine. Okay. So below that we can find only equation. Ammonia with high Cl, ammonium chloride. These two equations come under excess ammonia reacting with chlorine. What is a product? That is ammonium chloride is a product. Okay. Here, how is excess chlorine reacting with the ammonia? When ammonia reacts with chlorine, NCl3 is a major product and hydrochloric acid. Nitrogen trichloride. NCl3 means nitrogen trichloride, an explosive substance. So if you are adding excess chlorine with ammonia, the product, that is nitrogen chloride, is an explosive substance. Okay, for balancing this equation, make hydrogen 3 at right side, because left side hydrogen 3. Then chlorine, here 3 chlorine, here also 3 chlorine, totally 6 chlorine, here 3 chlorine. Okay, 3 Cl2 will come. The 3 by 2 will not come. 3 Cl2 will come. Okay, the sixth question is a correction. N-3 plus 3 Cl2. 3 by 2 will not come. 3 Cl2 will come. So make it correct. Right side NCl3 plus 3 HCl. The equation is balanced. Okay, how do you get sodamide and magnesium nitride from ammonia? How do you get sodamide and magnesium nitride from ammonia? Sodamide, what's the formula? NaN2. When ammonia react with sodium metal, it gives sodamide with hydrogen gas. Okay, here we can find the equation whether it is balanced. Left side sodium 2, right side also sodium 2, nitrogen here 2, here also 2, hydrogen 6, here also 6. The same manner we can write ammonia react with magnesium nitride will form with hydrogen gas. The right side magnesium 3, that's why I write 3. The nitrogen 2, here 2, hydrogen 6, 2 into 3, 6. Here 3 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen, 3 into 2, 6 hydrogen. Okay, how do you get sodamide and magnesium nitride from ammonia? These two equations we have to write. We move to the next. Write the structure of ammonia. Write a note on the structure of ammonia. So ammonia molecule, so pyramidal in shape. NH bond distance, the bond distance between nitrogen and hydrogen 1.016 Armstrong unit. The hydrogen bond distance 1.645 Armstrong unit with a bond angle 107 degree. The structure of ammonia may be regarded as a tetrahedral with one lone pair of electron in one tetrahedral position, hence it has a pyramidal shape. This is a structure of ammonia. Here we can find one lone pair, so do dot, we can keep it. It mentioned the lone pair of electron. The dark blue, that is nitrogen. Rose color ball denoted as hydrogen. So nitrogen and hydrogen, the bond distance 1.1020 Armstrong unit. The bond angle 107 degree. The hybridization is sp3